Greetings everybody, this is me Ishita from Delhi, and I'd like to bring it out there that I studied economics from Chandan Sir through the platform of Vidyakul, and I'd like to tell you all that it only turned out to be in the best sense for me because I was able to score 98% by God's grace and his teachings, of course. His lectures were extremely helpful. He is an extremely dedicated teacher. His study material is to the point and with latest examples. I've never come across a teacher who can make learning so interactive, and it makes you want to study more. I was not able to give much time to economics and business studies because maths and accounts take up most of the time, but whatever I did it wholeheartedly because I wanted to, and I wanted to because learning was fun with him. So I really like to thank him for whatever he did, and I can proudly say that I am a student of Chandan Sir. Thank you.